everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick weave on my friend's eye. I recently did a full makeup look on her too, so if you haven't seen that, make sure you check that out. But first off, I want to say Ty has a full head of hair and it's very long, and the reason why we're doing a quick weave is because she wanted a layered look. Now the look didn't turn out exactly how we wanted it because her leave out is very long, so we did long layers. So I told her next time if you want a really chopped up layer look, we're gonna have to do a closure, just because her leave out is very long, as you can see. But now I just braided down all the leave out. That's what I did on the sides and in the middle, and now I'm doing the braid down for the foundation of the quick weave. And this was a little challenging for me because I had never braided somebody's hair for a quick weave to be, you gotta have a flat foundation for a quick weave, but she has a lot of hair, so it was a bit challenging for me. Like, I was like, wow, I never experienced anything like this, but we got her done, and I braided her hair down the best to my ability because it was very hard. But I feel like the more that I work with her and start, doing her hair, then I'm going to get better at it. But this is me putting the cap over her braid down. Her braid down was a little thick, but I feel like I did get it flat. Like, I got it as flat as possible. But I know somebody who's an actual hairstylist probably get it flatter than I did. So I cut out an ear hole in the cap, placed it around the ear, so we can go ahead and start this mode. I'm molding her down with some Gorilla Snot. I like Gorilla Snot. It's literally like $3 a thing, and sometimes $2, and it protects your hair. That protectant, that black one, it's expensive. So I'm gonna take my Gorilla Snot all the way to the bank, baby. Period. So once I lather that on there, slather it up, I go ahead and blow dry the cap until it's all the way dry. And it took me about like 10 to 15 minutes to dry her hair all the way with the hair dryer. So you just keep doing it, keep filling it until you feel that your cap is dry. Now I'm just going to seal the perimeter with this Gots to Be freeze spray. I like to do that just to make sure when I cut that cap ain't going nowhere. You feel me? So I'll just blow dry that until that's dry, and then I start to lay my tracks. Now, this is hair she previously had, she used before. She said she don't remember where she got it from, so I can't help you guys with where she got her hair from. So I'm sorry about that, but yes, so I'm just lining up the track, measuring it, seeing my placement, seeing where I want to place it at before I start putting the glue on there. Then I put the glue on and I blow dry it down until the glue is dry and that track ain't moving. And I'm doing the same thing here, measuring it out first, making sure like, okay, is this where I want to place it? Okay, yeah, that's cool. And then I go ahead, put the glue on. Now I'm laying that track on there. Like, this is where it's about to be at, and I'm gonna blow dry it in place. Like, it's not going anywhere. We ain't gonna have no slippage of no tracks on this quick weave, okay? So you just keep following that same recipe over and over and over again. And this one, I measured it a little too long, so I had to clip off that little excess part that this was sitting up, but ended up just clipping it off and just placing it right next to it. So, but yeah, I just keep going with laying the tracks, and I feel like it was laying flat. Like, I didn't feel like her quick weave was bulky at all for as much hair as she had. So I think I did a really good job, but I'll leave that to y'all to let me know in the comments if I did a good job or not. So make sure y'all comment and let me know what's tea. So now I'm just at the top of the head, gluing in my last track. I'm going ahead and cut this cap off. After I've glued in every single track, I just pinned the hair up, and now I'm just cutting that excess cap off so I can reveal the leave out. So now I am about to start curling. Now this first clip, you can't really see me curling that much, but it's okay. So you'll see me curling in the video. But I spray it first with the Kenra Silkening Mist. I like it just because I feel like it gives the weave a natural luster, so I like that spray. I spray it on there, I comb that through, and then I just go ahead and curl with the barrel. Now, when I'm curling, I curl like I'm flipping the hair. So I open the barrel and I put the barrel on top of the hair, and then the clamp is underneath the hair. So when I'm flipping it over, it's like I'm flipping it. That's how I like to curl. And then depending on which way your face is, I'm going to put the hair in the direction away from your face. Like, I don't know how to explain it in words, but basically when it's in the barrel, if your face is on the right side of the barrel, I'm gonna put the hair on the left side, at the end of the left side of the barrel. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but that's what I do. So I go away from the face. I pin the curls up, spraying with some hairspray, let them cool down, and then I just take my fine tooth comb and I just start combing the curls to get them to lay together, you know. And once I'm combing them, I do use some clips in the front just to hold like the front piece in, like kind of like in her face a little bit. And then I spray it with some hairspray, and that's about it, y'all. This is the finished look. Like, I feel like it was pretty cool. Like I said, we didn't get to get the real layer look because my girl got so much hair. So the only thing we got to layer is the bottom. So she got some long layers going. But it's cute though. And this tutorial is a wrap. So make sure y'all subscribe for more hair and makeup tutorials. And if you like this video, make sure you like it and leave a comment. See y'all in my next one.